Hello guys, today I'm going to give you a little bit of a tech tip to help you guys out. And what it is, bolt holes. Lots of times they're very dirty and you can't get your bolt in them. You can get them started, but you can't get them to go. And your options are to thread chase them with a tap, which takes forever. So I'm going to show you a little trick here. Okay, so say you have a rusty bolt hole such as this one, and when you try to get the bolt started in it, it goes but then locks up on you. I mean locks up. No matter how much penetrant you put in there, that bolt's not going to go. Yeah, you can impact the thing in and take a chance of destroying the threads of the bolt, or in this case the actual core support, which you cannot get replaced. So what you're going to do then is find a bolt that is the same pitch, thickness, diameter, everything of your bolt. Take your grinder and grind down both sides of the bolt. Now what you have created here is a poor man's thread chaser. This core is crushing my toe right now. Oh gosh. Whew. Okay, so what you do then is you put your bolt in after you have cut down both sides. Get it started like you normally would, and again, it's going to stop. But this one has the added benefit of being a thread chaser. So hit the back and front with a little bit of lube and use whichever power tool you like to chase it on through. In and out a couple times, and you are golden then. So what you have effectively done is created your very own speed tap out of a bolt. And you can see all that goo on there. Well, if it focus, all that goo on there, that is the crap that was holding your bolt from going in. So now you put your bolt back in. Easy peasy, all the way in. Now all you got to do is the rest of the bolt holes. That was your tech tip for today. Please watch, share, and subscribe. And if we come up with any other nice tech tips or anything like that for things such as speed cleaning your bolt holes or any kind of other little tricks or tips, make sure to check back. Thanks for watching.